Hi and welcome back to my channel. I start off by saying thank you to all my new subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed and you're watching this video, please subscribe. But what you must do as well is go to my channel and watch at least 3 other videos and leave comments. Otherwise YouTube will take away these subscriptions from you and from me, because they say you're not interacting with each other, so they go trolling and they take subs away. So if you like this video, please watch some other ones. Okay, this is 2 items I got from eBay, and in total they came to about £62. That included the postage. The person, they did combined postage, but you had to ask them first. This one is Dapple B850A Silver Bullet. Just take a quick look at it. I haven't got this one. It's ECC International. And then a NACCO markings on it. It's a bit grubby on top there, but I don't mind that because it looks like it's some bits of rust that's come on it in real life. I noticed as well the wire here isn't home properly in its hole. But I'll have to get little tweezers and try and put it down. But it looks alright. There's a lot of detail on these wagons. And if my phone will focus, you can read them all. They're all clear. I'm going to be buying some new Dapples when they come out later on this year, these silver bullets. They're quite impressive looking. They're so free wheeling. They really are. And this is on a bit of a slope and it just takes off. And this is the second wagon I got. And again, it's Dapple and it's B850V Silver Bullet weathered. And this was exclusive to Kernel. I do like these weathered ones. They look more realistic weathered. This one, the wires are all okay on this one. No problem at all. Again, it's the ECC International. And I said for the pair of them, I paid, I think it was £62.70. That included the postage. And they were done on auctions. One of them was £31.50. Another one was £27 I paid. Actually, the weather one was the £27 one, which is normally the dearer one. I don't like the couplings on these silver bullet wagons though. Couplings aren't very good, as you've seen in my last video of them. It's better if you take the springs out, I think, because there's like little springs inside the name pocket. To me, if you take the springs out, it's going to just go in the right direction that it's been pulled or pushed at. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comments are always much appreciated. So it's bye for now, and on to the next video.